Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate e-discovery with Relativity, full guide step by step clearly. To automate e-discovery using Relativity, begin by accessing your Relativity workspace. Log in with your credentials to ensure you have the necessary permissions. Navigate to the admin section to configure the core settings for automation. Create a new job in your workspace by selecting the Create Job option. Choose the type of job that fits your e-discovery needs, such as data ingestion or document review. Set the parameters for the job, including data sources and processing options. Define the criteria for the documents you wish to include in the automation process. Once the job is configured, click on Save to finalize the setup. Next, incorporate automated workflows by navigating to the Workflow section. Select Create Workflow to begin building a custom workflow for your e-discovery process. Add steps to the workflow that correspond to your specific review and analysis needs. Assign tasks to team members or designate specific roles within the workflow. After establishing your workflow, test it with a small batch of documents to ensure functionality. Monitor the progress of your job in the job's dashboard to track performance and outcomes. Review any issues that arise during the automation process and adjust settings as necessary. To enhance accuracy, consider integrating machine learning models available within Relativity. Once automation is running smoothly, document the entire process for future reference. Regularly review and update your automation settings to adapt to changing e-discovery requirements. With these steps, you will have successfully automated e-discovery using Relativity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.